It's nice to see you again. I'm so glad you're back. We're going to go on with another syllable division rule today. But before we do, I want to review the one from yesterday, or the last lesson. And that says that when we have two consonants in the middle of a word, we divide between them, like in this word. Ladder. Very good. See the two T's? We're going to divide between them. What's that part? What's the second part? And what do we put together? What do we get? Better. Okay, let's go to the next one. This dot's not supposed to be here. It's just dividing the word for us already into parts. So what's that part? What's that part? Put it together, what do we have? Faster. Master. Okay, this one we read before. Do you remember what this word is? Funny. We read this word before too. Do you remember what it is? Y at the end of the longer word says E. Remember to say E. Silly. Here we have another one just like that. This is also a review for us. And the word is what? What'd you get? Candy. Candy. The Y says E at the end of a long word. And we divide between the N and the D. So that circle shows you where we divide all those words. Today we're going to learn another rule. And I really like this rule. It applies to so many words. It's in lots and lots of them. And this syllable rule says that when we have a consonant and an LE at the end of a word, we divide before the consonant. Let me show you what I mean. Do you see this word? We have an LE at the end. That consonant goes with it. It goes with it. They're all together. They're said together. They're one syllable. So that means if that's together, that means this part is by itself. So we start off by reading the first syllable first, because we always read left to right like we know. And what are we going to read here? The A does not have a consonant after it in that syllable, so it's going to be long. It goes back to that vowel generalization rule we had. So it's going to be what? F, A. And then whenever you have L-E, it's going to be ol something. Fay, we have a B here, so it's going to be bull. It's always going to end ol, but it depends what the consonant is. So you have to look closely at that. Fay, bull is the word. Okay, let's go to the next one. Oh, here, did you recognize the AR? That's a phonogram we've already had. That's why it's so important that we learn them. Okay, when we know the B consonant LE goes together, so we're going to cover that up and read just the first part. And what's the first part say? Mar. And then BLE says bull, bull. So we have a whole bunch of these that make that ol sound. TLE, toll, ZLE, zol, GLE, goal, FLE, full. So you're going to be seeing lots and lots of different words with this rule. Okay, let's go to the next one. Look at number 3. We don't have BL anymore, LE anymore. We have TLE. So what's that going to say if you put T in front of ol? Toll, right? Toll. Okay, now we know the TLE is together. Let's read just the first part, LIT. What do you get? Okay, this is an I and a T. They have little tails, and if you're not used to it, that kind of writing. Lit. Tull. Little. Did you get little? Okay, let's go to number 4. Hey, we're back to BLE. Remember what BLE says? Bowl. BLE. They put the B in for the O, and you have bowl. Okay, we know that part's together. What's that say? The A's open. There's no consonant after it in that syllable. That makes it long. Long A says his name. Okay, go ahead and read that. Did you get stay? Stay. And then bull. Put it together. What do we have? Stable. Stable. The animals are in the stable. Ooh, here's a big long word. It looks so hard. But you guys can get it. You can read a second grade word, right? No problem. All right, we have G in front of ol. Put G in front of ol, and we have goal. 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 So I'm going to cover up the goal, and you read that part. Okay, what does it say? What's S say? T, R. New's going to say what? Because there's a consonant G after it. Okay, see if you can sound it out. Go. Struggle. What is it? Struggle. Struggle. Do you know what it means to struggle? The fish struggled to get away when you were trying to catch him. Struggle. Okay, let's go down to, number 7. I know you know what this one is. There's GLE again. Goal. Okay, we're going to cover up goal. GLE. What's WIG say? Did you get it? What is it? We have a consonant after the I, so that makes it short. Wig. Wig. It's a wiggle. That's right. Wiggle. You know how to wiggle, right? In your chair. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, there we have GLE again. Cover it up. What's B you say? U's going to be long because we don't have a consonant after it. What's that going to make? Long U says his name. What's his name? Bugle. Makes bugle. Bugle's like a trumpet. It's an instrument. Let's see. Let's go to number 9. Number 9. Okay, we're going to read the first part. We know BLE is together. And what's it say? B in front of O makes bowl. That's right, bowl. Now put a TA in front of it. It has to be what? Long or short? Long, because there's no consonant after it in that syllable. Because we're covering it up because this all goes together. Table makes what? Table, yes! Okay, let's see if we can get the next one. The next one should be pretty easy, I think. But now instead of a B in front of the LE, O, we have a D in front of it. What's D say? D. So that makes dole, doesn't it? Dole. We're going to cover up DLE. What's that? What's this? Put it together. What do we have? Did you get candle? Candle? Then great. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, look at this. This is a new one in front of LE. Now we're putting Z in front of LE. What do you think that says? What's Z say? Z. Zol. Okay, we're going to cover up ZLE, Zol. Read the P-U-Z. Look at the U. It has a consonant after it. That makes the U what? Short. What's the word? Puzz. Did you get it? What is it? Puzzle. Puzzle. Very good. I know you'd like to do a puzzle. And one more. Oh, look, it has the same ending. The ZLE ending again. Zol. We're going to cover it up. What's that say? Short I, right? What'd you get? What'd you get? Did you get drizz? Drizz. And then we have to add the ending of it. Zol. Drizzle. Drizzle. We've been getting a drizzle of rain today. We have been just a drizzle. So not a lot, just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. And I'm going to let you practice words that end with a consonant LE. And every time you see one, break it down, cover up the consonant LE, read the first syllable and then the second syllable. Make sure you apply your vowel rules to this, and remember your phonograms. They help too. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.